We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Now see, today's lecture, we have discussed the output characteristics and input characteristics of common emitter configuration of transistor. So common emitter configuration and output characteristics, input and output characteristics plus virtual lab demonstration. Virtual lab demonstration also I have explained here in this particular lecture. So try to concentrate here. Uh, Most probably input characteristics only in this lecture. Input characteristics plus virtual lab demonstration. Now see, first of all I have sketched the common emitter in circuit diagram. So see this is the circle. See this is the emitter. It is the collector. Plus minus plus minus. See this is the ground. Here RP register. Here VCC. Now see, this is the IC current. This is here IB current. Here VBB battery. Here VBB battery. Now due to this battery, one of the current that can be flow, which is known as IB, and here current flow, which is known as IC. Now, due to this IB and IC current, we want to measure the input and output characteristics. We measure input and output characteristics. Input characteristics means what? Make output equal to constant. So first of all, make output equal to constant, or we can say collector current equal to constant. So based on that, we can measure the input characteristics. Based on output equal to constant, we can measure the input characteristics. Now, input characteristics means what? Here it is known as emitter terminal. I have right here emitter. I have right here base. So VBE, input characteristics input characteristics is measured between VBE and VBE, and here IB. Input characteristics is measured between VBE and IB. It is the input characteristics. Similar to PN junction diode. Why? Because base emitter junction are connected in forward bias. Base emitter junction are connected in forward bias. So I have explained this with the help of virtual lab. With the help of virtual lab, I have explained this. See this virtual lab. See this. List of experiment I have attached here. Common emitter characteristics. See, we have obtained the input characteristics. Base emitter junction connected in forward bias. So similar type of forward bias characteristics that we can obtain using this particular equation, using this particular concept. See, this is rheostat 1 that can be connected with base to emitter junction, rheostat 2 that can be connected with collector to emitter junction. Now see, the first instruction is that set the value of 1 ohm. Explain with practical so you have able to understand. Now make output current is equal to constant, so change the value of rheostat. See this, if you can change the value and set the current at 1 point 1.1, almost 1 milliampere current output current is set. Now if you can change the input, see this 0.02 volt, 0 point starting from, see this 0.02 volt, base current is 2.508 microampere. So at the table, see this value. Now if you can change the value of rheostat, see this. Now see this 0.06, see this 0.08, current is 2.242. Now see this 0.1, 2.307, 0.1200, 2.374. See this. See this different value we can get of base current. See this 2.4514. Current is linearly changed. Now if you can increase the value 0.22, 2.739. See this. Here just change 0.2 to 0.4. Here change from 2.7 to 3.7. Now see exponential increase. See this 0.4 to 0.5, here 3 to 4. See this here 0.5 to 0.8, here change from 4 to 6. So see, this is the variation that you have able to observe this. See this very carefully. 1 to 1.46. See this variation. I have highlight with the help of marker. See this. 1 to 1.4 volt, and here current is changed from 8 to 16. See this is exponential rate of change. Now if you can further increase, see this 1 to 1.4 to 1.6, here 16 to 20. See this three variation, 8, 16, 20. Now if you can plot this graph, see this is the variation. Remember that point, this is the variation that can be find at VCE equal to, sorry, IC equal to 1 milliampere current. IC equal to 1 milliampere current. Now, if you can make constant, please remember this graph. Now, from 1 volt to 2 ohm, sorry, here, if you can increase the current from 1 to 2, now see what happened. Now, if you can change the value starting from 1, 8 table, see this current is changed compared to previous case. Now see 2.586. Why? Because input current is increased. If we, output current is increased, collector current is increased. That's why more number of electron can be traveled towards base. So base current is large. See this 2 to 3. Now see 3 to 6. See this 6 to 11. Now if you can plot these characteristics, we can get this type of curve. So if you can increase the collector current, if you can increase the collector current or make output equal to constant, and if you can increase this constant, then obviously base current is increased. So it is the correct explanation regarding the common emitter configuration of transistor. It is the correct explanation regarding the common emitter of the common emitter configuration of transistor. Make output equal to constant, so we can get the base current with the variation of rheostat. Rheostat means what? Simply potentiometer. So it is the practical of common emitter configuration of transistor. Now I have explained the theory related to this particular topic. See this. Input current VBB equal to IBRB plus VBE. Already explained. VCC equal to ICRC plus VCE. Also we have explained. Now see these characteristics. VCE. Make output equal to constant. Make output equal to constant. So we can get characteristics like that. Similar type of PN junction diode. Base emitter junction are in forward bias. So make output equal to constant. VCE equal to 2 volt. So get input characteristics which is similar to PN junction diode. Now, if VC equal to 2 volt and VC equal to 6 volt, two different cases, already explained the characteristics, then characteristics shift towards the right side. Why right side? Because if VCE increase, then collector base junction more reverse bias. So depletion region more increase. So depletion region more increase. So base current is depletion region is more increase. Then electrical width reduce electrical width of base is reduced, so base current is decreased, so base current is decreased. Depletion region with increase thus at a base current decrease thus a is decrease of base current. So it is the input characteristics. And what is the input resistance? Delta VBE divided by delta IB. Delta VBE divided by delta IB, it is the base resistance. Now see this, we have discussed the example related to that. See this circuit that can be given. Determine output voltage and collector current if beta equal to 100. So VBB equal to IBRB plus VBE. See this is the equation, IBRB plus VBE. So here IB equal to 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 2. Put the value of VBB equal to 2 volt and RB equal to 100 kilo ohm. So here we can get 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 2 multiply by 50. So answer gets 650 milliampere collector current. So it is the last answer of collector current, which is known as 650 milliampere. It is the answer. So it is the example related to common emitter configuration. And here also, when emitter current of transistor is changed by 1 milliampere and its collector current change of 0.995 milliampere, then calculate the value of alpha and beta. So alpha equal to delta IC upon delta IE. So delta IC upon delta IE, એટલે what is the answer? 0.95. 0.95 and alpha equal to beta upon 1 plus beta. Why this happened? That relation I will derive in the next lecture. So beta equal to alpha upon 1 minus alpha. So it is known as 199. So it is the answer related to example. So in this lecture we have discussed the common emitter input characteristics plus example of the common emitter configuration. Thank you very much.